Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we will see what is lookup relationship and how we can create lookup relationship in Salesforce. In previous video I have explained what is master data relationship. The video link I have given in description box, you can go through it. So in this video we will see what is lookup relationship, then what are the feature of lookup relationship, then we will see some examples, then types of lookup relationship, then we will take scenario to create lookup relationship, and using that scenario I will demonstrate you how to create lookup relationship in Salesforce. So the lookup relationship is a type of relationship between two objects that allows one object to reference to another. Then it's loosely coupled relationship, that means that related object maintain their own records and can exist independently of each other. That means we have seen in the master data relationship, when we create the relationship field on the child object, we must have to select any parent record which will be the reference record of this child record. But in the lookup relationship, we can create record without filling the relationship field on the child object. That means it will be the independent record. Now let's see the feature. In lookup relationship, not always necessary to have child object related to the parent. Then child can exist without parent. That means in the master data relationship, when we delete the parent record, the associated all child records will get automatically deleted when we delete the parent object record. But in the lookup relationship, if we delete the parent record, then the associated child records of that parent object, it does not get deleted automatically. Then the lookup relationship is an optional relationship. That means in the master data relationship, when we create the child record, we must need to select any parent record to assign child record. But in the lookup relationship, it's not necessary to always assign any parent object record to the child record. Then here are some examples. We can create lookup relationship when two objects are many to one, then one to one, and one to many type of relationship. And very important thing in the Salesforce relationship, we always create the relationship field on the many side only. Now student is on the many side. That means here we create lookup relationship and it will give reference of the sport object record. For example, we are creating student record and in that we have lookup relationship field named as sports. And in that sports, we need to select any sports for that particular student. And in the sport object, we have multiple sport like cricket, football, hockey, and many more. Now while creating the student record, it's not always necessary to select any sport. We can leave it as empty field. But sometimes we need to select any sport for them. Now whatever the sports are in the sport object, that will be the appear in the student object field. Then there are the second type one-to-one relationship. That means one student can only select one course. And then we have third type one-to-many. Now there are two types of lookup relationship. First one is a self relationship and another one is a hierarchical relationship. So the self relationship in the Salesforce is a special type of lookup relationship that allows you to create self-referencing relationship between two objects. For that there is example like you are creating new employee record and for that employee, only your employee who are working previously in your organization, only he referred to new employee. That time you can create lookup field in new employee record and you can assign existing employee who referred this new employee. That means you are creating lookup field for the same employee object. I have created video on self relationship in Salesforce. The video link I have given in description box. You can go through it. So we will be the get idea how the self relationship works. Then another one we have hierarchical relationship. The hierarchical relationship in the Salesforce is a special type of lookup relationship which can be used to define things like management hierarchies within the organization. We can use hierarchical relationship in only user and account object. For example, you are creating new user and while creating new user record, you have to assign manager and HR to that particular user. In that case, we can use hierarchical relationship so that we can easily assign manager and HR to that particular user. So to better understand, let's take a scenario. First, we will create lookup relationship. You are working as a receptionist in a hospital that uses Salesforce to maintain patient records. While creating the patient records, you need to assign a doctor to the patient so that in the doctor details also we can see which patients are under the particular doctor. Now to create this lookup relationship, we need to jump to the org. So this is Salesforce homepage. So before the creating lookup relationship, I will show you the patient and doctor object. This is the hospital app and in that I have patient records. As I open the record, here you can see, here is the patient details. So now here is no any field so that we can refer any doctor for this patient. Now using the lookup relationship, we will create the doctor name field on the patient object so we can assign any doctor to this particular patient. As I open the doctor object, here you can see the specialist doctor. Now we will create the lookup relationship on the patient object. Here patient will be the many side and doctor will be the one. Now to create lookup relationship, click on the gear icon, then click on setup, then go to the object manager. Then in the quick find box, search for object on which you want to create lookup relationship. Here we are creating on patient object. Search for that and click on it. Then to create new lookup relationship, go to the fields and relationship and then click on new button. Now as you scroll down, here you will see lookup relationship. Select the data type and then click on next button. Then in the second step, we need to select related object. For that, as you click on drop down list, you will be see all objects which are present in the Salesforce org. Here we need to select doctor object. Here you can see doctor custom object and then click on next button. Now here you need to provide label so that it will be available on the patient record. So here I am entering assign doctor. The field name will be automatically populate. Then this child relationship name is for the doctor object so that when we open any doctor record, the associated patient list will be see there. Now click on next button. In the first step, we need to establish field level security for the reference field. Here we need to select profile so that they can access these fields. Make sure the system administrator checkbox is checked. Then click on next button. Then again next and then save. Now here you can see in the fields and relationship, the assign doctor field with lookup data type has been successfully created. Now we will navigate to the patient object, refresh the page. Now we will create new patient record. For that, click on new button. Here you can see we have patient layout and ENT layout. This is the record type so that we can apply different page layout to these record types. How to create page layouts and record types, the video link I have given in description box. Here I am selecting patient layout and then click on next button. Now here we need to fill up the information. I am entering only necessary fields so that we can save our time. Now here you can see we have assigned doctor field with lookup icon and this field is not necessary like master detail relationship. Now as I click on the search doctor, here you will see the doctor's name which are available in the doctor object. Now here I am assigning this Amar Singh doctor to the Akash Sharma's patient and then click on save button. Now here you can see the patient record has been successfully created with name and here you can see the assigned doctor. Now as you click on this doctor name, we can see the doctor details like doctor name and doctor specialist. There will be the other fields also. And then as we click on the related to the doctor object, here you can see the patient, that means the child object name, and the patient records which are under the particular doctor will be available here so that the doctors can also access the patient details. As we click on this patient name, here you can see the patient record has opened. This is how we can create lookup relationship between two objects so that we can give reference from one object to the another. Now the second scenario, hierarchical relationship. For example, you are creating new user in Salesforce and you want to assign manager and HR for the newly created user, and you also want to show their names, that means manager and HR name on the user profile. We have already seen we can create hierarchical relationship on the user and account object. Now first on the Salesforce org, I will show you the user details. For that, click on the gear icon, then click on setup. Then in the quick find box, search for users. Click on user. Now open any user profile, then click on the edit button. Now as you scroll down, here you will see additional information. Here you can see additional information where we already have manager lookup field. As we click on the lookup field, you can select any employee or you can select any user as the manager of this particular user. Now using the hierarchical relationship, we will create HR lookup field so that using that field we can select any user as HR for this user. To create the lookup relationship on the user object, go to the object manager, then search for the user. Before that, I will show you any other object except account and user. Can we create hierarchical relationship on them or not? For that, here I am selecting bank account, which is custom object. And then as I navigate to the fields and relationship, then new button As you scroll down, here you can see there is no any data type called hierarchical relationship. Now I am cancelling this and search for user object. Here you can see users, click on it, then navigate to the fields and relationship, then click on new button. Then as you scroll down, here you can see hierarchical relationship. Click on this data type and then click on next button. Now here enter the name, so that this label we will see on the user profile interface. As you click on field name, it will automatically populate, and then here you need to select child relationship name. Here I am selecting employee name and then click on next button. Here we cannot give space between two letters. For that I am entering underscore and then click on next. Now establish field level security. Make sure the system administrator checkbox is checked. Then click on next button and then click on the save button. Now as you scroll down, now here you can see HR name with data type hierarchy relationship has been created successfully. Now as we navigate to the user profile, refresh the page, scroll down to the additional information, and here you can see first we only have the manager lookup field. Now we have created the HR names field so that we can assign the manager and HR for the particular user. Now as we click on the lookup icon, here you will see the users, and here you can select any user as a manager for this particular user. Now I am selecting HR. Here I am selecting Alexander Joy as a HR for this user, and then click on save button to save the changes. Now here you can see manager and HR has been assigned for this particular user. In this way we can create hierarchical relationship in the Salesforce on the users and account object only. Now in this video we have seen what is lookup relationship, then example of lookup relationship, and then what are the types of lookup relationship, self relationship and the hierarchical relationship. Then we have seen some scenarios. Using that I have demonstrated you how to create lookup relationship and hierarchical relationship in the Salesforce. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.